making around 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, or 200,000 naira and above is not too small for you. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could possibly make that particular amount of money to take care of all your expenses every single day. It is very possible. I've been doing that, and a lot of my mentees have also been doing this particular thing. So I'll be revealing it to you using Bybit. So if you don't have a Bybit account, I'll be dropping a link so I could just join via my referral link, so you can just join and start. And this particular trading is called P2P arbitrage. Let me show you. After you have registered and you have logged in your Bybit account, what you have to do is to come to P2P section here. It will appear just the way it's appearing on my own page here. So you just have to tap on it. This you need to have fun before you can carry out this particular type of arbitrage trading. You need to have USDT, and if you don't have USDT, I'll be sharing with you how you could possibly buy USDT. Let's say, for example, let me tap on amount. Let me say I want to start with around 700,000 naira. So let's click on confirmed. So ineligible for you to just remove all these people that are not serious and that can possibly be scammers. For you just have to tap on the filters here. You check mark these 4 things and click on confirm. Then eligible merchant will be brought to you. Now you see that a dollar to a naira now is around 1,590. So let's tap on it. Yes, then you come to with crypto here. So let's say we are starting with $300. Let's look at it now. You say $300 will cost us 477,000. Let's spend that on our note. That it will cost us around 477,000. Let's write that now. 477,000. Yes. So if you do not know how to buy on P2P, where you can just sell or buy from correct merchant or sell to sellers that will pay you to your local account, please kindly watch my P2P video, which will show you how to buy and also how to sell. So let's go back now. After purchasing it, remember it will be on your funding account, so you need to transfer it to your spot trading account. So now you will now come to P2P here, because we want to trade spot. And if you don't know how to trade spot, also check on the description of this particular video. You see my video on how I taught you how to trade spot, also you on Bybit here. So you tap on it, you see P2P pair to USDT, so you tap on buy. We are buying now. So now at this current particular price, let's put that we are buying $300. Now check here now. It will give us 0.002875 Bitcoin. Let's pen that also down. 0.002876. Let me see if I'm right. 76. Then you tap on buy. After you have buy it and your Bitcoin is now in your spot trading account, now you now have to come down here. You come down to home page. Now you have to move back. You remember the crypto market is very volatile, so you have to do this thing very fast so that you will not be trading at loss. So after you have traded it, you have to come down to this section and move down to P2P again. Then you have to tap on it. Now this is where it gets tricky, which you need to pay attention. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload other interesting videos. So let's go back to it. So now this is what you need to do now. These are just the little things you have to do. You know, it's on USDT. Now we have in BTC. Now you have to change it from USDT, you have to change it to BTC. You are like to load is now in BTC. The next thing you need to do is, now we are not buying now. We want to sell our BTC to make gain. You tap on the sell, you tap on the sell. No, remember I say if you haven't watched my video on how to buy and sell on P2P, is on the description of this particular video. Please kindly watch it so you also be able to understand what I'm trying to teach you here. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. So what you have to do is, now you can see that no, you see it has changed again back to US. So all these things you need to be very careful. You have to change it back to BTC, or else you'll be doing it very wrong. You can see it say 185 million. you could see the first person. So I'll be trading with the third person. Okay, the third person is ineligible. I'm trading with the fourth person. I think the order is okay. 512 orders, 99%. So you tap on it here. So what you just do is that you input the amount of Bitcoin that you have purchased, which is 0.002876 here. So let's go to our calculator and calculate to see amount we have and the profit we'll be making. Here, this is our calculator now. Let's multiply. We were able to purchase a Bitcoin of 0.002876. That is with $300. Let's say multiplied by. Let's look at the amount of Bitcoin here. So this is the amount of that particular Bitcoin for one Bitcoin. So we are not buying one Bitcoin, we are just buying with 300 USDT. So we'll multiply the amount we're able to buy, multiply by this amount. That is 185,000 million. Let's go back to calculator. 185 million. We have 687. 687. Then we have 839. 839. Then all is 500,000 and 534,038 naira. Then now this is it. We have to minus it from the amount we bought the 300 USDT as at that time. Let's go back to our calculator. So then we say it costs us 477,000 minus 477. That means we make a total profit of 57,000 just starting with 300 USDT. Now, so this is the amount we're able to make now. This is the pure profit we're able to make doing this thing. So you can do it more than once, twice, 3 times, depending on the capital. And if I'm able to trade or to start it with 1,000 USDT, meaning I'll be making more than this particular amount. This is just you starting with around $300, which is around 77,000 naira. So if you have other large capital, you can actually do it and you'll be making insane amount of money. So if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you can notify anytime we upload more video. Thank you and bye bye for now.